Finding LCM by using different methods. We can find the LCM by listing the multiples of both and finding the smallest value common to both lists. Or we can find the LCM by listing the multiples of the given numbers and finding the smallest common value in the given lists. Find the LCM of 12 and 15. Now we can consider the multiples of 12 and 15. Multiples of 12, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84 and so on. Multiples of 15, 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105 and so on. Least common multiple of 12 and 15 is 60. Therefore, LCM of 12 and 15 is 60. We can find the LCM by using the individual prime factoring method. Find the prime factorization of each number in exponent form. Find the product of the highest power of each prime factor. Find the LCM of 12 and 15. Prime factoring. 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. It is written as 2 square into 3 to the power 1. 15 is equal to 3 into 5. It is 3 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 1. The different prime factors are 2, 3 and 5. The largest exponent of 2 is 2. The largest exponent of 3 is 1. The largest exponent of 5 is 1. Product of the highest power of each prime factor is equal to 2 square into 3 to the power 1 into 5 to the power of 1. 2 square is 4, 3 to the power of 1 is 3, 5 to the power of 1 is 5. The LCM of 12 and 15 is equal to 4 into 3 into 5 is equal to 60. We can find the LCM by using the group prime factoring method. Divide at least two of the numbers by common prime number. Continue dividing the remaining quotients in the same manner until no two quotients have a common divisor. When a number cannot be divided, bring it down as a remaining quotient. Write the product of the divisors and the remaining quotients. We will get LCM. Find the LCM of 12, 16, 25 and 30. Observe that 12, 16, 25, 30, 12, 16, 30 are divisible by 2. So divide 12, 16 and 30 by 2, bring down 25. 2 times 6 is 12, 2 times 8 is 16, bring down 25, 2 times 15 is 30. Here 6, 8, 25, 15, Divide 6 and 8 by 2. Bring down 25 and 15. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. Bring down 25 and 15. Divide 3 and 15 by 3. Bring down 4 and 25. 3 1 is 3. Bring down 4. Bring down 25. 3 times 5 is 15. Divide 25 and 5 by 5. Bring down 1 and 4. Bring down 1. Bring down 4. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 1 is 5. The questions 4 and 5 have no common factors. Product of divisors and remaining quotients is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 1 into 4 into 5 into 1. Product is equal to 1200. Therefore, the LCM of 12, 16, 25 and 30 is 1200. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.